I mean, I don't think that there are greater gifts along with, self-belief that you can give your kids because you're giving them health.
Yeah, absolutely. I was saying it the other week. Somebody said to me, she said, "I love your daughter. She's so wholesome. Like she goes
Sure.
into she comes to the garden in our back garden, and
Mm-mm.
she'll pick the like the blueberries that we've grown, and she'll come and she'll just eat them, and then she'll go to the gym and she'll show people the carrots that she's grown, and it's I think if you asked all parents, they would 99.9% of them want what's best for their kids.
Yeah.
And at that age, especially sort of between the ages of 1 and 5, they're a sponge and you give them everything you can. So
Mm-hmm.
that honestly is all I've done is try and give her, you can grow vegetables, and if she's grown it, she wants to cook it, she wants to eat it. So she's more open to it. Um, going to the gym, watching other women, chasing goals, lifting weights.